Shenseea addressed artists that try to kick her out of Romeich Entertainment. And I have a throwback video of Spice shelling a stage show back in the day.
Double that coming to you, got ya. Yeah. How's the night? Yeah, man, you don't know Spice. The guys, they buy me cool on anything. Y'all know I'm nice.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Now, this is what Shenseea posts on her official Twitter page. She said, artists vex over me because me they are Romeich Entertainment when they come here, come see me, joke this. How me fi invite you at my house and you try kick me out with some laughing emoji, with a laughing emoji and a bawling emoji. And that is for say, she a laugh to she a ball. Now people, we know who definitely I think, we know who me I think as well, but me still not go say nothing because guess what? She never call no name. But people who think who she attack. You see what I say? We know say at 3 official artists depend Romeich Entertainment. And that is Ding Dong, TJ, and Shenseea. But however, there are more artists because I think Cash Music was signed to Romeich at one point. I'm not really sure what happened to that. But who do you think Shenseea attack? You see what I say? She not really call her name, but she definitely advise her opinion. Like somebody come there and vex over her. You see what I say? So now tell me what you think down in the comment section. Now people, that first part they want to just hear what I'm telling you what Shenseea say. I record that earlier. But since then a whole heap of thing happened. Shenseea go live and she says she'll drop song tomorrow. Plus the album is on the way. And also TJ start make some series of posts. Not saying that TJ respond to Shenseea, but TJ post a Jacob Miller song for the younger people. Them who might not know who Jacob Miller is, but the song is Rasta Can't Live in a Tenement Yard. Also, he post a song with him and Jada Kingdom, and in a caption him say, can't believe all of this over one song. And that song are released tomorrow, him and Jada Kingdom. Right? So people, may I tell you now, if I that really cause it, I'm very disappointed. You see me, I say, I hate for no say that. But people, I'll show you a video with Spice.
For the album, and I told everybody that it will be on July 30th. We have good news and we have bad news, okay? The bad news is the date kind of pushed back a little bit. Of course, I was upset. But yeah, as I was saying, guys, the date got pushed back a little bit, which is a little bad news for us besties. But guess what? They push it back a week, and the week end up falling right on my birthday. I don't know if it's God or how it go, but yeah. And my birthday is still a blessing. So I can't complain. I'm not fly up in a God's face. I still feel good. I'm still grateful. Big up to Shaggy again.
So that video there, Spice has said the album pushed back to her birthday. But people, remember, I still have a next Spice video. The video I'm showing at the front, which she rock the show. I'm going to show her that. So, I just I'll leave it for play at the end of the video because it's about 3 minutes. So, I just make it play by itself. But before that, I have to make on hear a song real quick. But trust me, it's worth it. Stick around till the end of the video. Now people may have a song more introduced to, that song your name Nowadays, and it's by Interest featuring Carson Fire. And people, I not go around the thing. That song ya a real song. I not make up nothing.
These nowadays girls, them are just backstabber. And every one of them dream of a date a top chopper. And every juvenile, yes, nowadays, yes, just want be a top shotter. Every man want bleach, not desert. Some want be a bank robber cause no man no want work. Everybody want gun. Tell me want go walk me to the future in a jam down. These nowadays girls now use condom. Now stick to one baby father. Them a do it random.
Yeah, people, so you hear the singer voice, and that is Interest. And Interest, if you don't know, Interest go viral Him sing over Dexter Daps poison him in a theme viral version, and it go all about the place. You see what I say? But aside from that, is a very talented artist. You know, hear how him deliver him vocals. You know, hear how him arrange the song together. You know, hear the lyrical composition. You know, hear the things that when I talk about some social issue. People, and no joke artist. Make we hear the rest of the song.
So bigger heads on the listen. Never say you're just innocent, they a prison. Enough man dead upon life, some a triple. Enough done rot, end up done kitten on. Goals them no one reach. Them just one step. But nobody no perfect. Enough mistake them make. So you don't listen badness, that a trouble, say you're not proving something. Look at juvenile with two things and glisten. For shooting on him, end up in a prison, Lord. They never show love yet. Appear trouble they make. Never brief look nowhere. And I've level subject.
People, me definitely did have to make the song play out, because I want to hear what the artist has say. You know, hear him say the youth now brief look no work and him have a level subject. True story. You know that video there where did that grown with the youth I talk about how much subject him have, sound well educated and thing, and then later on, you know what I mean, him end up dead. Because him did dead, why the video go around? And the man even make a video and tell what man how long ago him video it. You see what I mean? I say, a mind is a terrible thing to waste. And this is how interest a show no. Him a paint the picture for no in the song. So hear what I must say.
No man no one word. Everybody want gun. Tell me what go walk me to the future. In a jam down. These nowadays girls. Now use condom. Now stick to one baby father. Them a do it random.
Blow out the rusty clip, go get a 9 to 5 and go up with it. Anyway the negative 5 step on the corner. Fire boss cut left it. You take in your book work. Remember me, the dance look work. And the positive vibe me push first. Before me gonna skin my front some good herb.
Yeah, people, so no hear cast the fire part of the song, and he must say, him did done say, forget work. People, me really like that song, and I like the message behind the song. Me not just hype it up, a real thing. I want to know what you think of as well. So when you get in the comment section, tell me what you think about that song. Yeah. Thank you for listening. Really rate the song.
Double that coming to your gut, y'all. Yeah. How's the night? Yeah, man, you don't know a spice. The guys say mice, me cool on anything. Y'all know I'm nice. Run the bada when me show the people them where I go on. Cause we done English say, what if your man a give you bun, you for run back some. Hey! Bada upon them case, so me show the people them where I go on. I teach the ladies them. Cause them a go on like them want spoil them. Yeah, man, you don't know a spice. And the guys them mice, me cool on anything. Y'all know I'm nice. It's all good. I want house of love, yeah? What's holding up the rhythm? Watch your hypeness for that thing then. Yeah. It's all good. I want house of love. What I'm saying? Alright, go, yeah? Girl, if your man a give your bun, oh no, won't give back none. Who for reputation you think a run down? Shut your foot, put it down, keep your tight like gum. Wash it, put it down, call your man soon come and give your bun. Oh no, won't give back.
Sound like a mad song.
Yo, listen, man, I teach you, you know. Yo, listen. A woman can never do what a man do and still be a lady. You think that is true? Have fun, feel the sun, make this one run your tongue. A one man a do it with the new million. If every day your next man come round and pick your plum, what you are gonna do when you're trilling broke down? It don't tighten more, it get deep like jump. Have many men, you become a slum. Can't satisfy the right one when him come. Give back your man. I must not your want on a give you. Oh no! What do I stand there at the house? Let me put the wheel back on answer. What do I stand there at the place? I'm the man defending them, I'm not trying to get it now. The girl them will take them man through window and through the back door. I don't fool no time, you know. I don't want to stand there and look so on there. He won't know there, hey. Me are the wife, me have the young lad in
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.